So, your first university essay. Challenging, huh? You've probably been told to be more academic, more rigorous. But what does that mean? Where do you even start? Don't worry, we're here to help. Here's our 5 steps for success for essay writing. Try creating a detailed timetable and break the work down into manageable chunks. Write a summary of your proposed essay. This can help you organize your thoughts. Introduction. Summarize your topic, your argument, the supporting and opposing views, and evidence for and against your position. Developing your argument. Often, the question itself will present to you the logical structure most suited to the essay. Conclusions. Don't rehash your whole essay again, but succinctly gather your thoughts together and use them to draw a clear conclusion that addresses the essay question. Ensure your essay has a logical flow. Remember, the first draft of any essay is simply an outpouring of your thoughts, built around a loose structure. It doesn't need to be perfect. Before you hand your essay in, triple-check that your grammar and punctuation throughout is correct. Check your reading lists for text to use, and remember that your library is full of useful resources that are specifically available to help you achieve the best you can. In any essay, you will have a limited word count, so ensure that every word and every sentence contributes to your argument. Balance the anonymous, formal style with your own personal voice. Essays need not be stressful. Just stick to your plan, remember to reference everything, and don't be afraid to put your own thoughts across.